Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this power bank with compressor from Ultimate Speed, premium product, the model UPK 10H5. 4-in-1 power bank with powerful Li-ion battery, 14 ampere hours, 44.8 watt hours. Includes compressor with integrated compressed air hose and digital pressure gauge. Vehicle jump starter with instant start via high current poles for a short time up to 200 amp, 12 volt. 2 USB charging ports, 1 USB-A with 1 amp, 1 USB-C with 2 amp output current, and LED torque features with a 3 years warranty. Accessories included. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. This is the new product from Ultimate Speed. And of course included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The Type A to Type C cable, 1.2 meters. I like that, very convenient. We have the jump lead with 2 clamps, red the positive and black the negative. Very strong clamps. And here are the jump start lead. We have 2 LED indicators, I will show you later. That you can connect it here. That says start engine. Seal it very well. And there is the 2 LED indicators, green start LED and red error LED. Obviously I need to connect that at my battery. And remove, seal it very well. And of course here you can connect the compressed air hose. Silicone rubber, left and right. Nice and tight. The built-in air compressor allows you to inflate tires, making it a handy tool for maintaining tire pressure or dealing with flat tires. It also comes with adjustments for inflating other items like bike tires, sports equipment or inflatable toys. And you can find that here at the storage compartment for the valve adapters. We have the valve adapter for balls, the valve adapter for inflatable items, and another one, plastic, and this is metal for the balls. I like the storage at the back. Silicone rubber at the 4 corners, it will stay very secure at any surface. Nice. 95 decibel it says here. If you don't want the hose, you can just remove the hose. For now, later I will use it. Here we have ventilation. And of course we have the integrated LED flashlight, adds another level of functionality, particularly useful in roadside emergencies at night. The USB ports, the device can be used as a power bank to charge smartphones, tablets and other electronic devices, making it useful in everyday situations as well as emergencies. And we have the input USB-C 5V 2 amp, so you can connect this cable and charge this device, or you can use the cable to charge your smartphone. I will test it later. And with an output USB 5V 1 amp and the output USB-C 5V 2 amp. The battery capacity is 14,000 mAh, 3.2 volts, 14.8 watt hours. And we can see here 8,400 mAh 5V, 3,500 mAh 12 volt. High power. And of course at the front We have the digital pressure gauge with air pressure display and battery display. The power switch for the power bank. The on-off button for the compressor. And off. And here we have the power switch for the LED light with different modes such as standard light, flashing or SOS. Off, standard, flashing, SOS, and off. On again the display, and you can choose PSI, bar, KPA, kg, and of course you can adjust, if that is for the PSI, the maximum, let's say 41 PSI, and it will stop automatically at 41 PSI. Or the bar. And here we can see the battery percentage. So that's all about for the display and the buttons. I like the design. Glossy red, matte black. Let's give it a charge, fully charge it. It's charging, so let's wait until it will fully charge and start the test. Fully charge it, let's unplug, and of course first I will test how long it will take to charge my smartphone. It's not a fast charging port, for emergency use it is perfect. Okay, 15% the battery, 6 hours and 9 minutes until fully charged. Okay, never mind, but it can charge my smartphone. And of course you can use the charge and your earbuds from the second Type A port. And are charging for emergency use. And any other device compatible with Type A or Type C, 5 volt of course. Now let's check the jump starter and the air compressor. This device offers a powerful jump start capability for 12 volt vehicles, ensuring you can quickly restart your car if the battery dies. It is suitable for a variety of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles and small boats. The device comes with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, providing multiple jump starts or several uses of the compressor before needing a recharge. A clear digital display indicates the charge level of the battery and can provide real-time data when using the compressor, making it easy to monitor performance. It is a versatile and practical device designed to handle multiple vehicle-related tasks, providing a portable and reliable solution for car emergencies. It combines a jump starter, a power bank and an air compressor into one compact unit. Despite its multiple functions, the device is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in your car's trunk or glove compartment. This device is a must-have tool for any driver. Its ability to jump-start your car, inflate your tires, and charge your devices, making it an all-in-one solution for road trips, emergencies, and everyday use. It's particularly valuable for those who want peace of mind while driving, offering a practical combination of safety and convenience in one portable package. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more tech reviews, tips and year recommendations. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay powered up!